Hello everyone. In the previous lecture we have discussed about rate of chemical reaction, Arrhenius law and rate constant. In this lecture we will discuss further about Arrhenius equation. Now what is Arrhenius equation? Arrhenius equation. In this lecture we will discuss about Arrhenius equation. So the mathematical form of Arrhenius equation is nothing but it is K is equal to K naught exponential minus activation energy divided by R T. This is the mathematical form of Arrhenius equation. And Arrhenius equation is a relation between activation energy, temperature and rate constant. This rate constant is obtained from the rate law, which is nothing but rate is K into Ca into Cb. This rate constant depends on temperature. So as we have already discussed that rate is a function of concentration of component I and temperature. So this is temperature term and these are concentration term in the rate law. So this is the rate constant. Rate constant is a function of temperature and this law is known as, this is the mathematical form of Arrhenius equation. It is a exponential function. It is exponential form. So we can write the Arrhenius law in graphical form. We can also write it like if t tends to infinity, like if temperature at T is equal to 0, suppose 0 Kelvin, at 0 Kelvin this law will become K is equal to K naught, and this term will become, at this term will become minus infinity, because anything divided by 0 is infinity. So this will become infinity and it will become K naught divided by u to the power infinity, which is K naught divided by infinity. Anything divided by infinity is 0. So at 0 Kelvin the K will become 0. Now at temperature, when temperature tend to infinity, this is the Arrhenius law, RT. Now when temperature tend to infinity, at higher temperature this law will become K naught e to the power e divided by, this will become infinity, and this is the K. And as we know that anything divided by infinity is 0, so K will become K naught. This is K naught. So mathematically we can write, so in graphically we can write Arrhenius law like this is, suppose this is temperature and this is the rate constant. So when temperature is 0, the rate constant was 0, and when temperature tend to infinity, at higher temperature the rate constant was increased. So when this is the exponential form of Arrhenius law. So this is the Arrhenius mathematical exponential form of Arrhenius equation. So at t tend to infinity the K become K naught. This is K become K naught at temperature tend to, when temperature tend to infinity. So this is the mathematical form of Arrhenius. This is the graphical form of Arrhenius equation. Now as we have discussed that mathematical form of Arrhenius is K is equal to K naught E minus E divided by R T. This is the pre-exponential term or the frequency term. It shows the frequency of molecules, and this is the activation energy, and R is the universal gas constant, T is the absolute temperature, and K is the rate constant. So this we can also write this law in linear form. We can write this law like ln, take the log both side. This, suppose this is the equation. When we take log on both sides of this equation, we will get ln of k naught minus e divided by r into 1 over t, and ln e is equal to 1. So ln k is equal to ln k naught minus e by r into 1 over t. And if we compare, this is the linear, if we compare it with the equation of straight line, like y is equal to mx plus c, then this is the y-intercept. ln k naught is the y-intercept, and x is 1 over, compare, x is 1 over temperature is on the x-axis, and e over r is the slope of the line. So the slope of the line is 1 over, slope of the line is minus e by r. So the slope of the line is e by r. So we can write in graphical, we can also write it, this is the graphical 1 over t on the x-axis minus e by r is the slope, the negative slope of the line, and the ln, this is the ln k naught, and this is the ln of k. So this is the linear form of Arrhenius equation. This is the linear form of Arrhenius equation. If we compare it with y is equal to mx plus c, so this is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is, this is the y-intercept, and this is the slope, which is minus e by r, and x is 1 over t is the x, and y term is ln k is the y term. So this is the graphical form of Arrhenius equation. Now if there are two temperature, we can also write the rate constant at different temperature. Suppose we have a temperature T1. Suppose temperature T1, the rate constant is KT1 is equal to minus E by R T1. This is the rate constant at temperature T1, and this is the free exponential form. Now at another temperature, suppose at another temperature the rate constant was KT2, which is K naught e to the power minus e by RT2. Now if you divide, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Now divide equation 1 and divide by equation number 2. Suppose this is equation KT2 divided by KT1 is equal to K naught e to the power minus e divided by R T2 divided by K naught e to the power minus RT1. Now this term cancel with this term, and we get E minus E by R 1 over T1 minus 1 over T2. 1 over T1 minus 1 over T2. So K1 divided by K2 was become, so K2 divided by K1 become e to the power e by R 1 over T1 minus 1 over T2, and this is the activation energy, and this is the universal gas constant. Now at temperature T1 the rate constant was K1, and at temperature T2 the rate constant at temperature T2. So we can, if we know T1, K1 and T2, then we can find rate constant at another temperature. Or similarly we can also write these relation in term of rate of at temperature T2, which is R T2 is equal to R at temperature T1, which is equal to K T2. Rate constant at temperature T2 is equal to rate constant at temperature T1, which is equal to exponent e to the power e divided by 1 over R 1 over T1 minus 1 over T2. So these are the relation. This is the reaction rate at temperature T2 and the reaction rate at temperature T1. So we can also find the reaction rate from Arrhenius law, and this is very important. We know that K is equal to K naught e to the power minus e by RT, which is the Arrhenius. This is the activation energy. So we can also write it ln K naught minus e by R 1 more T. So at various, for example, if we draw 1 over T against ln K, we will find this type of graph. If we increase the activation energy, then the slope of the line will be increased. Similarly, at higher slope it will be like this, at lower slope it will be like this. So these are the various at various slope, these are the various slope of Arrhenius plot, and from these slope we can find the rate of reaction. Or suppose this is slope 1, this is the slope 2, slope 3, slope 4. So from these slope we can find the rate of reaction. And generally for very low temperature, this is 1 over T. For very low temperature, like near the room temperature, if we increase the temperature 10 degree C, the rate of reaction become double. The rate of reaction become doubles. But it is at low temperature, or at higher temperature this relation is not useful. Thanks.